Hey there guys, another video. And today it's not about speakers, guys. Okay, you see my speakers here. These are vintage speakers from Sanyo. But today, guys, it's not about speakers. Okay, today I'm making a video about audio cables, guys. All right, so some people, guys, they like to use the cheap ones. Some people, they like to use the expensive ones. So I believe that you guys know the difference. It's like you're driving a regular car or you're driving a Mercedes or BMW. So some people, guys, they use this, okay? They use the cheapest RCA cables, audio speakers. It works, but sometimes when you have a good receiver or amplifier, it's better to use a really good one because it will give you a good quality sound from your amplifier, from your stereo system. So guys, when I make videos, it's just, like a demo or something, then I don't mind using RCAs. But when I use my expensive stereos, amplifiers, receivers, tuners, then I used one of these guys. This guy is way better than the RCA cable, guys. So you can see so much difference from the RCA cables, and the cable alone is bigger than the RCA cable. The comparison of the size, so you can see, pretty small. So that means the electronic audio sound that goes to your speaker is minimal from this. And this one, a bigger audio electronic sound will go to your speakers, and it's gold, guys. So these are not cheap, and I use another audio cable like this. You see the difference, guys? So when you are a stereo music lover or audio lover, or you love stereos, you know exactly what to use. See the difference, guys? These are monsters. These are very good for a big receiver amplifier and a big speakers like this, like those speakers. So guys, having stereos and speakers, if you have the budget, or you don't, but you just gonna pay one time, might as well get the good audio cables, guys, because the RCAs, guys, look at this crappy ones. But if you have a simple turntable or anything like that, or just a simple stereo, then you can use this as small speaker like this. Then it doesn't matter. But if you have speakers like this, guys, then that's a different story. So I want to turn this around, and I just connect the speaker cables. And speaker cables, guys, the one that I use is this one, is just a regular ones, okay? It's bigger, but that's not really the audio cables. I'll show you what's the really good cable, guys. This one right here, this gigantic, thick, huge speaker cables, guys, will give you a really good sound from your Pioneer amplifier, Marantz, Sansui, or any kind of receivers or amplifier. So you see the difference, guys. You can see how big it is. See the comparison with this. See? So another need to remember to use bigger is better for your audio systems. So guys, that's another tip for you guys. So let's turn the speaker around. I want you guys to see, and it's made by wood. So these are Sharp, no, sorry, Sanyo. And let's take out the cover. There it is, guys. So somebody gave this to me for free, and I took it because speakers, guys, are not cheap, and it's free. So why would I not take it? And it sounds good. So you can see, but these speakers, guys, you compare this to like Sansui speakers or Marantz or other good brands. This is really, I would say, it's okay. But Sansui and Marantz and other good brands out there is way better than this. So this is Sanyo SS540, guys, and I'm gonna set this up right here in the front, and you guys can see the next video. So sorry about that. So I'll get it set up, and we're gonna listen to the sound of this speakers right here. So see you in a minute.